And a good Saturday afternoon. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights, VELCO Weather Hazards Outlook Forecaster. We're looking at the big picture here, kind of a ridge right across the center of North America. We have a trough in the east. This has been mostly providing good conditions, and this is going to be the case across a good portion of the Northeast in Vermont. Off to the south, we have a little bit of standard shower and thunderstorm activity with this short wave. And then in the British Columbia area, western parts of Canada, we have the next big shortwave trough, and this is going to be taking a track across North America like that into Canada. At 2 p.m., these are the incremental models. So we have the European on the left-hand side, the GFS on the right-hand side, and we have basically good weather through Sunday and into Sunday. And you can see that we're looking pretty good right now. Any threats for any showers and thunderstorms remain a little bit to the south of us across parts of southern New England. Very late in the day, there could be an isolated cell in the Bennington or Windham County. That's going to be about it. Other than that, the real big one to watch here is focus on that jet stream energy that's going to be digging down and starting to pick up some moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico. And this is going to double down as it approaches our region. This is the GFS model. You can see very similar conditions here. And this moves in, it looks like, during the late part of Monday afternoon. That's 21Z, about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 1,003 hectopascal area of low pressure over eastern Lake Ontario. It's going to track up to the northeast into Canada. And you can see the same kind of deal. Not quite as deep here on the GFS. So looks like we get some pretty good rainfall out of this. This looks like it'll have embedded thunderstorms, showers and embedded thunderstorms. Right now, the thunderstorms don't look particularly strong, and in terms of wind fields, they're going to be fairly slow movers. So these will be heavy rain-producing type thunderstorms, and also they're fairly tall in the atmosphere, even despite the fact that this is mainly going to occur. The main event's going to be during the nighttime on Monday night, Monday evening into the overnight period Tuesday morning. And conditions are such that precipitable water somewhere around 2 to 4 standard deviation. That's fairly significant. And so these will be heavy rain producing type thunderstorms, and there could be some localized flash flooding potentially. That's the latest indications if this holds out. I've seen a lot of these storms like this move in and then not really live up to expectations. It does look like Tuesday, once this system moves on out, we're going to see an isolated leftover shower or thunderstorm, nothing major, and these look relatively benign. And carrying this through into Tuesday night and Wednesday, we still have some showers, it looks like, and kind of a weak area of low pressure, and some kind of a warm frontal boundary with this next shortwave trough working in the upper atmosphere with a surface low over the Great Lakes. This is going to be taking a track and then into the state of Vermont, mostly on Thursday. There could be a few showers on Wednesday, but nothing terrible. We get into more thunderstorm activity on Thursday, and then beyond the period, this pulls away on Friday. That looks to be wet. Right now, next Saturday, looks like we could see a couple isolated cells, and so on and so forth. We have the Bermuda High or the Azores High kind of trying to stretch a little further to the west. The weak spot seems to be the east coast with a trough of lower pressure, and so slightly cooler weather could dampen down some of the expectations of thunderstorms. We'll have to wait and see. No GFS ensemble for you, but we do have the Weather Prediction Center total QPF. And we're seeing anywhere from around 1 inch to 1.5 inches generally. And this is very close to what the GFS current model is showing. It does look like the European wants to add a little bit more to that. So this could actually be a little bit more accurate than what the European is indicating right now. And looking at the temperature anomalies, we've been running a little bit on the cooler side. This is the 16th Saturday, but that was from basically this morning, and if anything, temperatures have equaled out. We're probably in the white here now, and we're going to start to warm things up. Meteorological output statistics, the MOS, next 5 days of high temperature, are pretty close to neutral, just a little bit above, and then 3 days later it looks like this. We do warm things up. We're running about 9 degrees above. That would be 6 degrees, 3 degrees above. So we're into much warmer weather 3 to 7 days out. And a quick look, we'll run this here total. This is the European Tropical Cyclone Ensemble model. Shows you some activity in the southwest Caribbean basin, but really cuts across the central parts of America there and into the Pacific Ocean. Not a whole lot of activity going on, so tropics are quiet. I suspect we'll start to see Cape Verde storms get more active here as we get into the next couple of weeks. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.